Hi everyone, welcome to Organic Creations. I hope you all are doing fine today. So today I'm going to be sharing a very different video with you all. I'm going to be making skin lightening cleansing wipes. I'm going to be sharing this for the first time on request. Here we are going to be using kojic acid as our main active ingredient to get a very good skin brightening effect. Now the basic formulation for skin wipes, cleansing wipes will be shared in the description box. For these advanced formulations, you all can join the workshops. Also, please don't forget to share and subscribe to the channel so that you all can get all the upcoming new videos that I share instantly as soon as I upload them. So we'll quickly start with the making here. Now here I have my water phase. I have taken some water and I have added some glycerin to it, and in this I have my oil phase. I have taken my emulsifier, I have taken a little bit of almond oil, kojic acid, I have taken a few emollients to moisturize the skin and keep it well hydrated. Now we'll quickly go ahead and heat both the phases and we'll make this cleansing wipes. I've gone ahead and heated both the phases here, and now I'll quickly go ahead and add this water phase into my oil phase and we'll give this a blend. Now the consistency of this is going to remain a little semi-liquid only, because we have to disperse this into our wipes so that the wipes can nicely soak in all the liquid from this cleansing lotion here that we have made, and it can easily rub off on the skin. So we'll just wait for this to completely cool down and then we'll add our cool down phase ingredients. Okay, so now the solution has cooled down completely, so I'm going to go ahead and add my preservative to this and my fragrance, which is already weighed out and kept. I'm adding a little bit of lavender fragrance to this and we'll give it a mix. Now here I have my container which I have already taken along with my cleansing sheets here, which I'm going to go ahead and pour this liquid on so that everything gets soaked in completely in the sheets, and then you can pull out one sheet and rub it off on the skin. Okay, so I've gone ahead and added the liquid here, and if you all can see how how it's completely getting soaked in the wipes here, and this is how it is supposed to be. Now you can use this only after 24 hours so that all the liquid nicely gets soaked into each and every sheet that has been put in here. And just to show you all, I'll just remove one of the wipe. Okay, so I've just taken one of the wipe, and if you can see as I apply it on the skin, how the cleansing liquid comes out so beautifully and it cleanses your entire skin. You can use this twice a day, morning and night, for best results to get an excellent glow on your skin. If you like what I share with you all, if you want me to share more such videos, interesting videos with you all, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do let me know what new videos you all would like me to make for you all to watch. Thank you so much everyone. Have a lovely day.